camera. Thank you so much, everyone. Really patient. So this is for you to do, either the customer, your clients, your sweet clients, or yourself if you are like really meticulous and want to do your own nails. All right. And next gonna be is no wipe top coat. The reason it is no wipe top coat and condensed glue gel will hold your base of your crystal, your charms, chains, anything off, stay in one place. And when you finish, you don't have to worry about getting like a sticky, tacky layer. Is gonna be completely done. You don't have to worry about to go back with your top coat. Then on the top of the crystal, because that's the last thing you want to do. You don't want to cover all the sparkle and the shines of your crystals. So I am going to using this guy right there. I'm really obsessed with this. It's so fun to working with. So okay, so I'm find the right angle because they curve with your C curve. So then we're gonna go in like this edges right here with precision glue. I can feel the scratchy right here. I'm so excited because it feels like feeling that precision glue into the nails. It feels so satisfying, like so satisfying. So I'm using this is, I think it's this is a mini drop.
No, that's a
Tiny little ones, the newest ones. I love that for those, for all the you who has a lot of clients have a short nails.
I think that's the mini teardrop.
And then this is a perfect short. I really like this perfect short. It's so perfect for the clients who even the short nails as well, or even long nails that you want to incorporate with a lot of others. All right, so now I put the charms and I get it like closer. And put it a little bit closer. Can you see it? I want to make sure the Instagram, Facebook, okay. Hi, Brad. How are you, love? Okay.
Awesome, thank you. All the ladies that just help us answer questions. Why we just... Yes, I have a little different setup today. So Nancy's kind of a little struggling. Try to adapt. She'll be fine. But you gotta focus on her a lot more than usual.
Danielle, this is simple love. There's a lot of others tutorial. You know what? I think you might feeling a little bit overwhelming with this, because you think it's difficult. I do not think so. Like, okay, so go back to our basic. Like, say if you place your crystals, as long as you place your crystal really close to each other, and you see me place the beads, you don't have to. If you really want to, or your clients want to, you can place your crystals really close to each other, and then you can add the beads on it. So this time I add 3 beads versus like instead of 1. You can do 1, either do 1 or 3. It's feel we have a new setup today, reverse way, so a little bit awkward to me. But hey, we'll make it happen. We want to make it work. Nobody can stop us from doing fun tutorials. I can't wait because we were planning to go earlier, but we saw a live video from Sarah. I would not miss it. I love it. Thank you so much for your love and support. It keep us motivators going stronger and give it back to our community, and then keep going with a lot of different tutorials, so to support all of you. I feel like I'm missing something. So this one is matching with this, but in a different charms though. So if you like it, we're gonna go, like if you do your nails, make sure you turn it like this, because your angle of looking on the other ways is different. You wanna make sure they are like straight and even before you cure. So it looks this angle. There you go. Is happy with this, and then now we are going to cure this for 60 seconds.